Okay, boys and girls, snow day project today. We are going to be making homemade eggnog in my Pampered Chef Deluxe Blender. Starts out with 3 cups of whole milk, 1.5 cups of heavy cream. Oh yes. 1/3 of a cup of sugar. I'm using all my Pampered Chef products here. My little pinch bowls. 1/4 of a teaspoon of nutmeg. I don't want to drop it in. 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. And I am using Pampered Chef's Double Straight Madagascar Bourbon Pure Vanilla, and because it's double strength, guess what? I can only use half. So I am going to use 1/2 teaspoon. If you don't have our vanilla, then you're going to want a whole teaspoon of vanilla. And 1/2 cup of bourbon or dark rum. I don't have either, so guess what I'm doing? I'm improvising. I have brandy, so I'm adding about 1/2 cup of brandy. And I think that's all our ingredients so far, and we're going to set this up, put our top on. We're going to set our wheel to sauce, and press start. That's coming up to heat. I'm going to go divide up eggs. So I'm going to separate some eggs. And then when it says add, I'm going to add the egg yolks to the eggnog. Oh my God. So while the milk mixture is cooking in the other room, I separated my eggs, 6 egg yolks. And I'm going to make a nice little omelet out of the egg whites. Yay, that's breakfast because it's a snow day. Okay, so it's just beeped at me. It's telling me to add, so I'm going to add our egg yolks. But you know what? It looks pretty hot. It's steaming, so I don't want to scramble the eggs. So I'm just going to temper my egg yolks here with a little bit of the hot liquid. Add a little bit of the hot liquid to your eggs. It's a little frothy, so. Temper, temper, temper. Because you don't want scrambled eggs in your eggnog. Adding the egg yolk to the eggnog. In the top, back on, and pressing the wheel to start it up again. And look at that lovely yellow color. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. It beeped at me, it's done. And that is homemade eggnog. I'm going to get a spoon and I'm going to taste it. It's nice and thick. Oh my God, that's very tasty. It's not super sweet, so you control the sugar. And then now we gotta let this cool, and we have homemade eggnog in the deluxe blender. Okay, I got my cool little bottle, my little funnel, and I'm going to add homemade eggnog to cool down on this snow day. Ooh yeah, ooh yeah. Still some more left for a little bottle. All right, homemade eggnog cooling down. Okay guys, the eggnog is finished. It's chilled, it's thick, it's delicious. Watch this. Look at how thick that is. Oh my God. We're gonna put a little bit of nutmeg. Oh yes, this was so easy and so delicious. Check it out. Homemade eggnog in the Pampered Chef Deluxe Blender. I think it's worth having the blender just for this. Enjoy.